Complete the required follow-up tasks after doing your virtual summits. There are many tasks that you must do after the event to follow up with your clients. Keep in mind that they have the virtual summit experience fresh in mind. This represents the perfect time to strengthen relationships with them. To achieve this, keep in mind the following. Send personalized thank you notes for participating in the event. You can try selling them access to the membership page for those who opt for the free one-way participation. The same one other customers have already purchased, those who choose to buy the All Access membership. Do a follow-up with the people who bought the All Access Pass. Make sure they have received their authentication information, login and password. Take advantage of the moment to make new connections and relationships. Take advantage of your success to be more in contact with special guests, your clients, and the community. Through them, you can be invited to the virtual summit, which will increase your popularity. Be sure to start planning for your next virtual summit. This was your first, but it shouldn't be the last. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.